Car owners know that heavy traffic and regular driving inevitably leads to car scratches. Do-it-yourself enthusiasts try to fix them on their own with car scratch repair pins and save some cash. But what are they, and do they really work? These specialized pins are filled with clear coat resin, just like the one on top of your car's paint. But we tested several do-it-yourself car scratch removal brands and were not satisfied with the results. So we decided to try out 2 alternative products that are not pins and cost a little extra, but they worked. These products are New Finish Scratch Doctor and QUIXX Paint Scratch Remover. However, they only work on minor scratches. So if you want the best results or find that your car's scratch is deeper than you thought, consider DetailXPerts.